Need computer training for a group or office? Contact us today to get a free demo of our training at www.teachucomp.com/enterprise-licensing. In this lesson, you will learn how to insert text into slide objects. In PowerPoint, you can add text to slide placeholders, text boxes, or shapes. Many times when creating presentation slides, you enter text into the text and title placeholders that are included as elements in the slide layout. However, you can also add additional text to text boxes or shapes that supplement or enhance the text placeholders in the slide. Placeholders, text boxes, and shapes that contain text have two distinct modes that they use. First, they are shapes, so they can be formatted, edited, and moved as shape objects. Second, they must also allow you to edit, add, remove, and format the text that they contain. In PowerPoint, this is accomplished by using two different modes for text-containing objects. This way you can apply changes to the object itself or to selected text within the object. In PowerPoint, a text-containing objects mode is shown by its border. A border composed of dashes means that the object is in text edit mode. When it is in this mode, you may select and change text inside the object. A solid border means that the shape is in object mode. The object itself, including all text within it, is selected and can be modified in this mode. You should be aware of what mode the object is in before performing a task or applying formatting. You can click directly on the border of the shape to place it into object mode. You can place your mouse pointer over the text within the object, and then click into the text to place the insertion point into the text and switch the object to text editing mode. You can then click and drag over text to select it and perform editing and formatting tasks to the selected text. For example, if we wanted to bold the title of this slide, we would highlight the text since we are in text editing mode and click the little b. Next, you will learn how to add text to placeholders, text boxes, and other shapes in presentation slides. Normally, when you apply a slide layout, you can click into the text placeholders in the slide and enter text. The advantage to adding text to slide placeholders is that the text will appear in the outline view of your presentation. If using outline view is important to you, ensure that the text that you want to appear in the outline is entered into slide placeholders. You will learn about placeholders, slide layouts, and slide masters in a separate chapter. For now, you just need to understand this subtle difference between slide placeholders and other types of text-containing shapes in your slide. If you don't care if the text added to a slide appears in the outline view, then you can insert it into a text box or shape in your slide. First, though, you need to learn how to insert text boxes and shapes into your slide. Let's say that we wanted to add some text, so we could have a caption for this picture. To insert a text box, click the Text Box button in the Text group on the Insert tab in the ribbon. So first, we navigate to the Insert tab, and next we would find the Text group, and we would click on Text Box. Then, click and drag over the area in the slide where you want to insert a text box. It will insert in text edit mode so that you can immediately type your text. You must type some text immediately into the text box because if you do not and then click away from the box, PowerPoint will remove it from the slide. You can add text to a shape you have drawn in a slide by clicking the shape to select it and then typing your text. To insert a shape into your slide, click the Shapes button in the Illustrations group on the Insert tab in the ribbon. So once again, we click on the Insert tab, and we would navigate over to the Illustrations group and click on the Shape button. Next, we would click the shape that we want to add from the drop-down menu of choices. Then click and drag over the area in your slide where you want to place the shape. It will insert itself when you release the mouse. It will appear selected in the slide when it is inserted, so at that point, simply type the text that you want to add into the selected shape. Like what you see? Get a free demo of our training for groups of 5 or more at www.teachucomp.com/enterprise-licensing.